Hi, class. Welcome to our Media and Information Literacy class. Today's lesson is about understanding the opportunities, challenges, and power of media and information. By the end of this video, you'll realize how media influences not just society, but also your daily life as a student and digital citizen. You'll explore how media creates both opportunities and risks. We'll also look at how it becomes a powerful force for change, whether in education, politics, or social issues. Media in my day. Let's begin by reflecting. Think of one way media affected your day today. Say, for example, you watched a study vlog that inspired you to focus, or you saw a viral post that made you react, or you used an app to learn something new. These small examples show how deeply media is part of our lives, even in ways we don't notice. Opportunities in media and information. Media gives us endless opportunities: economic, online jobs, freelancing, or e-commerce. Economically, people earn money through content creation or online selling. Second, educational, free learning platforms and tutorials like this one. Educationally, you can learn anything just one click away. Social, online communities and social connections. Socially, you can join communities that share your interests and hobbies. Political, civic engagement and advocacy online. Politically, online campaigns give people a voice to advocate for causes. The key is learning to use these opportunities responsibly. Challenges in media and information. With great power comes great responsibility. While media opens doors, it also brings problems. Information overload can make it hard to know what's true. Cyberbullying harms mental health. Anyone could be anonymous online and could tell you things that would hurt you. Fake news and misinformation spreads confusion, and privacy issues arise when personal data is misused. That's why critical thinking is essential in media use. Power of media to affect change. One great example of media's power is during Typhoon Haiyan or Yolanda in year 2013. Social media helped spread information fast, which led to global help. Facebook even introduced Safety Check, a feature that allowed people to mark themselves safe. Media became a lifeline during the crisis. Power of media, modern examples. Today, hashtags are modern tools for change. For instance, hashtag Justice for Kian raised awareness on social issues. It exposed the social injustice. Hashtag Walang Pasok informs the public quickly. It updates millions of students during storms. And mental health awareness promotes openness and support. It campaigns encourage people to talk about mental health. These show that one post can spark a movement. Cybercrime and media misuse. Not all media use is positive. Cybercrime includes hacking, scams, or posting private content without consent. These are crimes committed through the internet. Hacking and phishing, cyber libel, online scams and identity theft, voyeurism and harassment. In the Philippines, these are punishable under RA 10175, the Cybercrime Prevention Act. Always think before you post or click. It could save you from serious consequences. Protecting yourself online. Think before you post. Verify sources. Keep information private. And report abuse and fake accounts. Being safe online means being smart. Always verify what you share. Think twice before posting. And protect your personal data. Remember, the internet never forgets. As we end this lesson, ask yourself, what kind of media user are you? A passive consumer or an active, responsible citizen? Do you just scroll, like, and share? Or do you think critically and act responsibly online? Media is powerful, but its impact depends on how you use it. Again, media is powerful. Use it to inform, inspire, and empower others. Remember, media is not just a source of entertainment. It's a tool for awareness, advocacy, and action. Be the kind of media user who makes a positive difference. Alright, that is it. I hope to see you on the next one. Bye for now.